Hello learners, welcome to another lecture of Emerging Domain in Electronics Engineering. In today's lecture, we will solve some numericals on op-amp application circuits. In the previous lecture, we discussed some of the op-amp applications like adder, subtractor, differentiator and integrator. I have also shared the link of the previous lecture in the description box. Now in today's lecture, we will solve some of the numericals where we will be asked to evaluate V0 and the circuits will be given to us. So let us start. So this is the first numerical. You are given this circuit. Ten kilo ohm. Here it is grounded. Here 1K, 0.5 volt. Here again 1K but minus 1 volt. And here 5K but plus 1 volt. So you are asked to calculate V0. Calculate V0. Now as you can see, the diagram is of adder, and if you remember, we calculated the output for adder to be minus RF V1 upon R1 plus V2 upon R2 plus V3 upon R3. So we will simply put the values here. Minus 10 into 10 raised to the power 3 minus 1 upon 10 raised to the power 3 because it is 1 kilo ohm, 0.5 upon 10 raised to the power 3 and 1 upon 5 into 10 raised to the power 3. So we'll keep the voltages along with their signs, whatever is given in the question, and you just verify your answer. You will get from here plus 3 volt. So verify your answer, you will feel more confident. Now similarly, let us do another numerical. Again we are asked to calculate V0. Circuit given is like this. .2 volt, and here we are having 10K, here 50K and 0.3 volt. Non-inverting terminal is grounded. Again we will apply V0 equals to minus RF V1 upon R1 plus V2 upon R2 plus V3 upon R3 and so on. So by putting all the values over here like this, just verify your answer. You must get correct answer at once, and you will just verify your answer. You will get V0 as minus 3.1 volt. So this is how we calculate the output voltage, which is very simple to calculate. Now let us do another numerical which is based on difference amplifier. Let us try to solve it. Another numerical. Again we are asked to calculate V0. The circuit given to you is like this. V0 300K. You yourself have to identify that the circuit is of difference amplifier, that is subtractor or adder. Then again 10K, again 10K, and V1 equals to 1 volt. Okay, so we have like this. Now as we studied and discussed in the previous lecture, we have to solve such type of numericals by applying superposition principle. So apply superposition principle. I have discussed it in the previous lecture. You can also see the link which is in the description box for the previous lecture, and first of all understand that how do we solve them and then solve this numerical. Now first case will be, we will make one of the sources as 0 and we will keep one of them active. So first of all we will make V2 active and let us replace V1 as 0. So V out, let it be V out 1 or V out 2 because it will be V2, so it will be easy to remember. So if we place V1 to be ground at ground, that is if V1 is grounded, then the configuration becomes similar to that of an inverting configuration, and the output of an inverting configuration is minus RF upon R1 into V1 into the voltage. So that is minus 300K upon 150K into V2, that is 2 volt. So the answer is minus 4 volt. So V out 2 is minus 4 volt. Mark it. Now the second case will be, this time V2 will be 0 and V1 will be active, and V0 will be equal to V out 1. Okay. So now V out 1 will be given as, because you are placing V2 to be 0, look at the circuit carefully, it will become a non-inverting configuration, but the voltage that will be included instead in the formula, instead of the input voltage, that will be Vx. So the V out 1 will be 1 plus Rf by R1, that is 300K upon 150K into Vx, and it will be 1 plus 2 Vx, that is 3 Vx. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate this Vx in terms of V1. So it is V1 into, because we are applying the voltage divider rule, as 10K and 10K both are in series and Vx is the voltage only in one of the 10Ks, and we have to, when two resistors are in series and we have to calculate the voltage across only one, we apply voltage divider rule. So total voltage V1 into the resistance across which you want to calculate the voltage upon the sum of the resistances which are in series. So it V1 is, what is V1 here? 1 volt. So it comes out to be 10 into 10 raised to the power 3 upon 20 into 10 raised to the power 3, that is 0.5 volt. Now V out 1 will be 3 into 0.5, that is 1.5 volt. And what is the total output? Superposition principle says add both of them, it will be 1.5 minus 4, it will be minus 2.5 volt. So this is how we calculate the output voltages for various circuits. I hope it is understood by all.